How to install a bathroom faucet step by step. Your first step is to gather your tools and materials. Start by getting all your tools and your new faucet ready. So you're going to need a new faucet, an adjustable wrench, a basin wrench, plumber's tape, a bucket or towel. And then all you need to do after this is to simply turn off your water supply. So turn off the hot or cold water valves under the sink before starting. So open your faucet to simply release the pressure. And once you have done so, you can now prepare the sink area by easily cleaning the surface, that's the sink surface, and remove any old sealant or debris. And then all you need to do after this is just to insert the new faucet. So place the new faucet into the mounting holes from the top of the sink and then secure the faucet underneath. So you're going to have to secure the faucet underneath by simply tightening the mounting nuts to hold the faucet in place. And then once you're done, connect your water supply lines. So connect the hot and cold water supply lines to the faucet and then tighten them securely. Use a plumber's tape if needed. And then once you're done, turn on the water and check for any leaks. So check carefully for any leaks to avoid having problems with your faucet. And that's it, guys. Thank you.